Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Windows 11 without connecting to the Wi-Fi internet connection and also creating a local account instead logging in with Microsoft account. As you can see, I'm in the middle of setting up Windows 11. Select country, click yes. Next the keyboard layout, and yes, I don't want to add another layout, skip it. Here on that screen it asking me to connect to the Wi-Fi. No, I don't want to connect to the internet and also don't want to use Microsoft account to log into Windows. Instead, I want to create a local account. To do that, we need to run a command using the command prompt. So press Shift F10 to open up the command prompt, or Shift Function F10. Here we need to type a command start space ms-cxh:local only. This command will help you to open up another window to create a local account instead using an email address. Type the username. You can also skip creating a password that we can do later. As you can see, it's creating my profile. It may take some time. After this, there are a few more steps you can do to make your PC more private. So on this screen, it's asking to let Microsoft use your location. Select no. Select no. On the next screen, it's asking to send diagnostic data to Microsoft. Select required only. It asking to improve inking and typing. Select no. Next, get tailored experience with diagnostic data. Select no. And that's it. There you go. You are on the desktop of Windows 11. And after setting up with your local account instead using an email address,